speaking of judges, I don't know. This seems
she could be a judge down the road if she goes that way, right?
One day, Alina could. All right, Triumph Law. Usually we're talking to Robert, but we are happy.
Where is Robert?
He's actually prepping for a trial, so I am his right-hand woman.
One of the hardest working guys in the business, I'll tell you that right now. And with Triumph Law, we know that there are great connections that Robert has wanted to make over the years. Use some of his time and treasure and talent to give back to organizations. And that's what we get to talk about today. So welcome in. We have Alina, obviously, and Rhonda from Mothers Against Drunk Driving, MAD.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, great to have you here. You want to talk a little bit about why Triumph Law decides to partner up with MAD and do some of this work?
Yeah, so our firm, myself and Robert, are definitely really passionate about helping victims of drunk driving. And obviously MAD does exactly that. So what we did was we wanted to partner with them because we feel like it's a privilege to work on the same team together because they make a difference in, the criminal aspect of the case and emotional support, and we wanted to be there civilly for them.
That's great.
Yep.
All right, and then Rhonda, how has it impacted MAD? How has this partnership impacted MAD?
This has had a huge impact on MAD locally and at the national level. Locally, here in Sacramento, we've gotten the benefit of having the Triumph Law Firm not only support us financially, but these guys get out in the trenches. They've worked DUI checkpoints with me. They care about the mission, and they're really dedicated to what we are, which is eradicating drunk driving. And I think that without that partnership, it's a lot harder for us to get our name out and the advertising and the sponsoring and all of the things we need. I can call Robert's office and ask for money to maybe buy pizza for a police agency that made a lot of DUI arrests or whatever, and it's no question. They give it to me. These are things I don't have access to without them, let alone the victim support. All of the money we make here stays local, helps us treat victims, support victims, educate students.
That's
all
incredible.
part of our,
Love that.
Need that,
You do have a big event coming up. I know we want to talk a little bit about it, how people can learn a little bit more and get involved. You want to talk a little bit about that?
Sure. We, with Robert's help and Triumph Law, we are doing our Walk Like Mad event this Saturday, October 14th. It is sponsored by Triumph Law. We're very grateful for that. We're going to have a lot of law enforcement, some dignitaries. People will come out, walk the 5K, raise money. And more than that, we're recognizing victims.
Yeah.
You're going to see a lot of this out there, T-shirts. We want people to see the real impact that drunk driving has on people, not just the stats or the numbers you hear on TV. These are real people.
Yeah. Sure. When you see that, it really brings it home. I mean, that's what this is all about.
Yeah, this is what it's about. And so it's a great day for that. And Robert's firm always comes and joins us, and they bring extra, they do extra. We just couldn't do it without them. So we're very fortunate and grateful to them.
All right, and what can the community do, to help out in the walk? If they want to be part of this, they want to help, they can walk, they can do a lot of different things. What can they do to help out?
The biggest thing is sign up to walk. We need the support for our victims, and to see people from the community come out and walk alongside us is huge. Sign up for the walk, come out. We have booths, we have volunteer opportunities. You can meet the people of MAD and the people we work with, and I think it's just a really good opportunity for us and the community to engage in something that has a good outcome.
That's great.
Yeah, and the registration is actually also inclusive of your furry pets, so you can bring your cats, your dogs, whoever wants to walk with you.
Can walk.
So we actually have a little mascot coming in from Triumph Law.
Oh my God!
Yeah,
what is the Triumph Law mascot?
It's our little Dalmatian in the office. So and we usually do the walk with the canines from the police departments there as well. So it's really fun.
And kudos to you. I mean, you could have chosen any cause, if you will, any organization to give back some of your, again, that talent and treasure and time. But it's great you guys have chosen to do this and really expand what MAD has been able to do.
Yeah, absolutely. And honestly, I don't think Sacramento's MAD would have been as great as it is without Rhonda. I mean, she's a rock star.
Oh, she really is, yeah.
I have seen her take phone calls in the middle of the night. I have seen her cry over victims. I have seen her drop everything for victims. She's an inspiration.
Thank you.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, we're honored to have you here with us. I know, no stranger to the show, but thanks for doing what you do, and kudos. Give our best. I'm sure he's really working until we watch Suits. We know the deal. They work until the middle of the night.
He's currently in a suit.
They drink a lot of brown water in their office. I don't know what that's about.
Well, he's either working right now or he's buying shoes. He's working on his shoe game because he's got amazing shoes, Karakov.
Yes, he loves shoes.
We've seen them all. Triumph Law is where you could find him. That's the address, phone number. One of the best phone numbers in town. I'll tell you that.
It's because it's 5 million, right?
Yes, we worked really hard on that number. Don't confuse it with any other
5
numbers.
million.
Yes.
No other numbers.